All Coleman folding trailers are equipped with an indoor, low-pressure stove. Before operating, please make certain the stove's side splash guards are in place, and if necessary, the curtains nearest the stove have been pulled back and secured. The Grand Tour curtains should be secured in place by a tab attached to the body rail behind the galley. And with the Destiny series, attach the velcro tabs to the back of the galley. The stove knobs come with a child safety feature requiring the knobs to be depressed before they can be turned to the on position. A helpful tip would be to use a long stem charcoal lighter to ignite the stove burners to keep hands and fingers away from the flame. Please be sure to refer to your owner's manual for proper lighting. For outside cooking, the Grand Tour Series trailers come standard with an additional high-pressure outside stove. On the Destiny Series trailers, the low-pressure inside stove needs to be moved to the outside. Both the Grand Tour and Destiny Series trailers have similar mounting stoves. On the Grand Tour Series, use both hands and slightly tilt the front of the stove up and onto the retaining bar to attach to the side of the trailer. Lower the stove until the support leg contacts the side of the trailer. On the Destiny series, you'll first need to move the safety lever on the gas shutoff valve to the off position. Then separate the quick disconnect gas line. To remove the stove from the upper galley, release the front and rear latch that holds the stove in place and lift. In turn, remember to latch the stove to the galley top when replacing it. Using the support rod, insert the two tips into the retaining loops located on the bottom of the stove. Then, slightly tilt the front of the stove up and onto the retaining bar attached to the outside door. Also note that the Grand Tour Series high-pressure stove has a screw connection to the outside gas supply, which should be hand-tightened, while the Destiny Series inside-outside stove uses the quick-release connection. When changing gas bottles, be certain to turn off the gas at all burners and gas bottle. Remove the gas line from the empty tank and loosen the wing nuts at the bottom of the J-bolt. Remove the empty tank and carefully place the full LP tank on the tongue support and resecure the J-bolts. Reconnect the gas line, making sure it's not twisted or kinked. Remember, fresh air is essential for safe operation. All Coleman folding trailers are equipped with a propane gas leak detector. So if the alarm sounds or you smell gas, extinguish all open flames, shut off the gas supply at the tank, open all windows and doors, and leave the area until the detector stops and the odor clears. Keep in mind the gas leak detector only operates when powered from either the 110-volt converter or the 12-volt battery. The galley area uses the hands-free water pump. When using city water, the pump handle will automatically supply water when turned. When using the trailer's built-in or portable water storage, you'll need to pump the handle to supply water. Trailers equipped with hot water have a mixer faucet which is powered by a 12-volt water pump. You do not need the electric water pump when connected to city water, only when using the trailer's built-in water storage tank. To turn on the pump, flip the switch located near the galley. For Grand Tour Elite trailers, a standard fresh water filter and tap are included to remove taste and odor, providing fresh drinking water. Please refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions on maintaining the filter system. All Coleman folding trailers' electrical systems come equipped with a ground fault interrupter outlet, which is designed to prevent against electrical shorts or leakage shocks. The GFI should be tested at least once a month by pushing the test button, causing the reset button to pop out. To reset, push the reset button back in. If during use the reset button continues to pop out, contact your local authorized Fleetwood folding trailer dealer. One of the inside outlets is also connected to a 20-amp circuit breaker in the converter. This outlet is recognizable by the receptacle having one straight slot and the other being a T-shaped slot. This outlet should be used for air conditioning, microwave, or any other high-powered use item. The converter houses both 110 circuit breakers and 12-volt spade fuses which can easily be replaced. The converter also comes equipped with a standard trickle charge feature, which keeps your optional trailer battery charged. Refer to your owner's manual for more details. Please keep in mind that in cold weather, the converter will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to warm up for operation. If your trailer is equipped with a pull-out bed, simply grasp the front of the bed and pull out until it stops. Then position the cushions. That's it. The entire setup time should take approximately 10 minutes, less time than checking into a hotel. To take down your Coleman folding trailer, simply do everything we discussed in reverse. Key items to remember when taking down your trailer are: zip all window coverings into place. Turn off all lights and other 12-volt and gas appliances. Disengage all bungee cords underneath the beds. Fold the door area tenting away from the bed rail before sliding the beds in or out. If your trailer has a tip-out galley or glide-out, pull the tenting away from the bed rails before sliding the beds in or out. Keep tenting away from bed bows and bed rails before sliding the beds in or out. Release all 4 stabilizers before lowering the roof. Keep tenting away from the lift arms when lowering the trailer roof. Now let's review some of the standard features or options you may have purchased with your Coleman folding trailer. One of the most popular options is the self-storing canopy. To set up, raise the trailer top approximately halfway. Unzip the canopy storage bag. Unroll the canopy. And set aside the ridge poles, rope, and stakes. Attach one end of each of the 2 enclosed ropes to the canopy support channel. Then, loop the other end through the wood tension adjusters. Be certain to insert the rope through the side with the holes closest to each other. Fully raise the trailer top, then swing the adjustable support poles down from the underside of the support channel. Adjust the telescoping support poles to within 4 inches of the desired height. Place the rubberized end of the ridge pole through the loop inside the canopy bag near the trailer top, and the tip end into the corresponding holes in the canopy support channel. Then, adjust the telescoping ridge poles to the proper tension. Adjust the support poles to the desired height, the remaining 4 inches. Then drive the hook stakes into the ground, loop the support ropes, then adjust for proper tension. When there's a chance for rain, be certain to lower one corner of the canopy to adequately allow rainwater to drain, preventing water buildup and damage to your canopy and trailer. Also, in windy conditions, we recommend you take down the canopy completely to prevent damage to your canopy or trailer. A natural addition to the canopy is the screen room or deluxe adder room, which virtually doubles your living space. For this video, I'll be demonstrating the adder room, which is slightly more involved than the screen room. After the canopy is in position, identify each of the adder room sections and place them near the area where they'll be installed for easy access. Begin with the front panel and place the grommet through the ridge pole for support. Then attach the velcro for a snug fit. Then take one side panel and place the rubber end of the ridge pole into the panel's pocket. Then attach the velcro to the canopy and trailer tenting. Finish by securing the ties to the end ridge pole. Attach the bungee cords to the appropriate areas to seal off the side of the trailer. Repeat the same procedure on the remaining side. Next, set up the rear skirting to the trailer using the various velcro attachments and zippering the back panel to the 2 side panels. Finish by zipping up the 2 outer corners and placing the hook stakes to secure the bottom facing. If your trailer is equipped with a 3-way refrigerator, you have the option of using AC, DC, or propane gas. Let's first discuss using the refrigerator while traveling. During this time, your refrigerator can operate from an optional 12-volt battery installed in the tongue of your trailer. A trickle charge should be set up from your tow vehicle to the trailer battery to prevent it from losing its charge. Be certain the refrigerator selection switch is set on the 12-volt setting. An energy-saving tip would be to pre-cool the refrigerator with a 110-volt selection before using the 12-volt power source. Once you arrive at the campsite, you can operate your refrigerator on any of the 3 alternate settings by simply turning the selection knob to the desired 12-volt, 110 volt, or gas power source. When primitive camping and no electric power source is available, the gas mode can be used. Consult your refrigerator instruction manual for specific operating instructions. Never operate your refrigerator in the gas mode while towing.